Dr. Edelberto L. Opinarias, Esofan, School Division Superintendent of the Division of Examiners Oriental, duly represented by Dr. Rodora L. Galiares, Education Program Supervisor, SGOD. I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of Baliwagan National High School, Senior High School of school year 2023-2024, of whom 43 Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics STEM, 51 Accountancy, Business Management, and Management ABM, 143 Humanities and Social Sciences Bureaus, 84 Shielded Metal Art, Welding, SMAL, 36 Automotive Servicing, 14 Plumbing, 13 Beauty Care, Wellness, Massage, Hair, Dressing, Cookery, FBS, and BBP, a total of 261 male and 185 female, a total of 446 grade 12 learners who have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum, senior high school level of the Department of Education. May I therefore request you to confirm their graduation.
By virtue of authority vested upon me by the school's division superintendent of the Department of Education, Division of Misamis Oriental, Dr. Edelberto L. Opinarias, Esofan, and upon the presentation and certification of your school principal, Madam Florencia de los Reyes Baang, Principal 2 of Baliwagan National High School, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the K-12 basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education for secondary schools of the Republic of the Philippines. I now confirm you senior high school graduates of Baliwagan National High School for school year 2023-2024. Congratulations and God bless everyone. Mabuhay!